Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so today we are going to solve some past year JEE Advanced 2013 years question papers. Okay, so let's get started. This is the first one. This is from the chapter lines. You can consider it from the line. Okay, so what they say, for a greater than b greater than c greater than 0, the distance between 1 comma 1 and the point of intersection of the lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and bx plus by plus c is equal to 0 is less than 2 root 2, then which of this condition is going to be satisfied. Now what they say, the intersection point, the distance between intersection point of this two and this one is less than 2 root 2. So what we have to first do is we have to find the intersection point between these two straight lines. Okay, so we are going to find that. So you can use elimination rule, or you can use Cramer's rule, or you can use the matrix rule, whatever suits you. Okay, so here I'm using the Cramer's rule. So we have two equations, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and bx plus ay plus c is equals to 0. So now if I apply the Cramer's rule here, so x upon bc minus ac. Okay, you can see bc minus ac, then y upon bc minus ac, and then for constant term 1 upon a square minus b square. We all know that how to apply the Cramer's rule. It's very basic thing. Okay, now here x is equals to bc minus ac upon a square minus b square. Here c common, so b minus a upon c, b minus a into c upon a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. A minus b and this b minus a gets cancelled out, so we left with minus c upon a plus b. So we have x coordinate, that is minus c upon a plus b. Then for y, we have bc minus ac here, c common, b minus a upon a square minus b square. Again, this is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b and b minus a get cancelled out, and we left with minus c upon a plus b. So we have the two coordinates, that is x comma y, that is minus c upon a plus b and minus c upon a plus b. Both are the same. Now distance between this point and 1 comma 1 is less than 2 root 2. Now just apply the distance formula and equate it as less than 2 root 2. So by applying distance formula, we have distance formula, that is distance between these 2 points, that is square root of 1 minus plus c upon a plus b whole square plus 1 minus plus c upon a plus b whole square. Now this becomes a plus b taken as an LCM, so a plus b plus c whole square upon a plus b. Same term as here, so we have square root of 2 a plus b plus c whole square upon a plus b whole square. Now applying square root to each and every term, so we have here square root 2 a plus b plus c, a plus b, square root and square gets cancelled out, less than 2 root 2. It's given in the question that this distance is less than 2 root 2. Now this root 2 and this root 2 gets cancelled out. Okay, so we have a plus b plus c here, less than upon a plus b less than 2. Now this a plus b goes here, but see here what we have a greater than b greater than c greater than 0. That means all the terms must be greater than 0, and that also means that the addition of the term, that is a plus b, is also greater than 0. Then this term can be goes here and inequality doesn't change. If one term is less than 0, if this term is less than 0, then the inequality may change, but here that is not included. They say that the terms are greater than 0, so a plus b is greater than 0, so this term can goes here. So we have a plus b plus c here, less than 2a plus 2b. Now this comes here, so we have finally a plus b minus c greater than 0. Okay, so we have a plus b minus c greater than 0. This all what we have. So this is my condition. So my answer option number a plus b minus c, that is a, is my right option. So this is a very good question. Still, it's easy, but it's good question. Now, okay, so this is the question which marked as a star. That means this is a multiple choice question. In JEE Advanced, you have to face some multiple choice question also. So this for any two, any three, any four, or any one can be the answer. Okay, so we have to go for each and every options. Now, what they say, if 3 raised to x is equals to 4 raised to x minus 1, then what is the value of x? Now, we all know that we have to apply log here, but before going to that, we have to check the options. Here, in option 1, the base is log 3. You can see here log 2 base with the base 3. In option B, we have base 2. In option C, we have base 4. And in option D, we have base 2. That means we have 3 different bases, that is 2, 3, and 4. So we have to apply these 3 bases and take the log. Now let's see what we have. So first we have 3 raised to x is equals to 4 into 4 raised to x minus 1. Now first let's take a base as 2. So we take the log both the side with the base 2. So here x comes here, so it becomes x log 3 with the base 2. Similarly x minus 1 log 4 with the base 2. Okay? But 4 can be written as 2 square, and this 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2. Okay, and this 2 comes here. See, this 2 comes here in the multiplication. Okay, we all know that this is the basic rule of. So we have 2 into x minus 1, that is 2x minus 2 into log 2 with the base 2. Now if base and the value is same, then it becomes 1. So log 2 with the base 2 is 1, so we left with 2x minus 2. Now this 2 comes here, comes here, so 2x is common, so 2 minus log 3 with the base 2 is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 upon 2 minus log 2 with log 3 with the base 2. So this is my option, that is option number B. So I can say that option number B is definitely right. Okay, now I have to take base 3. So let's do that. Here 3 raised to x is equals to 4 raised to x minus 1. So we have to take base 4 also. So first we take base 4. So 3 raised to x comes here, log 3 with the base 4, then x minus 1 and the multiplication log 4 with the base 4, that is 1. So that is not necessary to write. Now again just simplify this. This one comes here, this term comes here, and x is equals to 1 upon 1 minus log 3 with the base 4. So again option number C is also right. So we have two options marked here, B and C. Again we left with log with the base 3. So that means D cannot be the right answer option. Why? Because for log 2 the right option is B. Now we have to check just for log 3, that means with the base 3. So let's do that. 3 raised to x is equal to 4 raised to x minus 1. Now x comes here, log 3 with the base 3, x minus 1 log 4 with the base 3. Okay, so log 3 with the base 3 is 1, so we are left with x equals to x minus 1 log 4 with the base 3. Okay, so here this is 1 log x minus 1 here, and this becomes 2 square. Again 2 comes here, so we left 2x minus 1 into log 2 with the base 3. Okay, so now again simplification, multiply this to this and just take simplification, and we have x is equals to 2 into log 2 base 3 upon 2 into log 2 with the base 3 minus 1. So that is option number A. So for me in this question, option number A, option number C, and option number B are right. So I have to mark 3 points, that is A, B, and C. See, in advanced multiple choice questions are there, so we have to check each and every options. Before going to the solving the question, we have to check all the option and what is given in the options, and we have to apply the question, we have to apply the formula based on the option. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button.